Hi guys, this is Dino from the GD Review. This is a little bit of really an unscheduled video to advise you to always, when shopping on marketplaces like eBay, where people listings for you to buy, always be vigilant. Because I came across this computer that is a complete scam on here. First of all, I was looking for a computer and I came across this system here, Iron Computer. As you can see on screen, if I just zoom in slightly, what he was offering there was an RTX 3080, 32 gigahertz, 32 gig of DDR4 memory at 32 megahertz, 3600 megahertz, and it was 1100K. I sent him a message asking some of the specifications of the computer there. If you want to pause and read through this, what I asked him. Obviously, I've made a few mistakes with the parts of history and warranty, so I didn't type it very clearly, but in any case, he responded back to me telling me that he only had 3 months warranty. He can upgrade to Windows Pro 11 at no additional cost. That's not what sparked my thingy. This part did, where he said it was a 3070 Ti, considering it on the actual listing it was a 3080. He has got 2 computers for sale, but none of them had a 3070 as a Ti as a video card. So at that point, with the 3 months warranty, I was not going to spend 2,300, which was what he was actually requesting for this computer. The next day, I received this message saying that there was 4% off the same computer that I was interested in. But this time, the CPU had changed to an i9 900K with 64 gig. Still the same memory, but 32 gig more with an RTX Titan. That sent alarm bells ringing for me. So I contacted eBay directly, and as a result of their investigations, they actually banned the user. So just a little bit of a message: be vigilant when shopping on eBay or any other marketplace where people can actually sell things. Facebook is another place where you can actually list things without any checks. I don't want to see anyone get scammed out of money, especially large sums of money like this. If this video has helped you guys, don't forget to leave a like, and if it didn't help you, you can obviously downvote it. In any case, don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. This is Dino, out.